You not lead the people about the poverty. You lead them in a poverty, in a crisis, and in a sin, and in a death.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are train.
The UIC, the United Independent Congress, is still out there advocating for the Jamaican people and trying to advise the present leaders of the country, say, here what, give the Jamaican people a choice and not an option. And while the UIC is doing that, you have some independent people too, independent Jamaicans who is speaking out and voicing their concerns about this thing. Like Raspek, big up yourself, Raspek with a K. Raspek asks a question, and the question Raspek asked is this. The Chinese people in Jamaica, are they being forced to take this job too? And when me hear Raspek ask that question there, a bulb go off in my brain too. And me I say, wait them man. Respect have a point, Because when we do see the videos that the mainstream media do choose to show of people going out, lining up in hundreds to go and get the job, have you ever seen a Chinese person in any one of the line them? If you've ever seen a Chinese, comment down below and let me know. Because I've never seen one. Now my question is this. So Chinese people at Jamaica will run the wholesale, them no mix and mingle with Jamaicans. Chinese them where they are Jamaica will run the wholesale, them no have to be a part of the Jamaican population too. So them can't spread it. Why them now go get the job? Why is it that they are not being forced to go get it? Make we listen to what Raspeka say so.
Blessed morning to each and everyone. Yeah, this is Respect with a K, Look here. Yeah, I am a registered producer and artist. Yeah, big up Jova's Record, big up all the positive people in Jamaica. Here we go now. You have some people are born Jamaican. I have some people who born in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm born in Jamaica. I'm born in 1976. I'm 45 now. And a whole heap of crisis I see from my born, a whole heap of things. And this way I see right. Yeah, Marcus Garvey, everything him say, in word come to present. And I one more left to come for present. And I don't see way locked down for Jamaica because Mr. Andrew Holness and nothing in order right. Yeah, my youth are 15 and I want him to live for 80. And I want to live for 80. Come like poor people now no talk. Or no Jamaican down no talk at all. Nobody now no free speech. Yeah, my free speech is this. Yeah, me no want no vaccine. You can't force me to take no vaccine. Yeah, Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Yeah, you know my father. Yeah, after me 14, me dey on my own. Right? And if you say you is a Jamaican, Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, if you say you is a Jamaican and you're born in Jamaica, you must consider Prime Minister when you look at youth that grew up where a leading nation. Either them a lead it right or lead it wrong. I don't know if when you grew up you say you want to come be Prime Minister to lead your people out of poverty, but Jah fulfill you where you ask for then and you come be a Prime Minister. But you not lead the people out of poverty. You lead them in a poverty, in a crisis, and in a sin, and in a death. You talk about vaccine. Look how much pitney missing from what day. You not talk about that. Look how much people dead from what day in 48 hours. You not talk about that. You understand? But you tell people if you go take vaccine and want people to come at people yard to get them out to go vaccine. So nobody no have no free choice. So me don't want the vaccine. So we are going to tell me, say no, if me no get the vaccine, me can't live and survive in Jamaica. And I ban it. Me even know if you're all on me or where I see me age. But me no want no fool lead me. Yeah, me never vote. But it's when me go vote next time, me know who me go vote for. Talk straight. Yeah, this is a joke thing. Yeah, you can't see a ban of Jamaica Andrew Holness, Prime Minister, and I deal with Jamaican people. So the cruise ship coming in there one day with much thousands of people, much thousands of drive up and down in a Ochi. When your birthday they come or your anniversary, you open up the country. And as your birthday or anniversary done, so you lock it down. You put things in a lot of Jamaican mind. Jamaica is all boat over the world, Jamaica. The Jamaica, they are foreign all boat over the world. Me have friend they are Ghana, Africa, Zimbabwe. We can tell me why go on to Jamaica. We nah go on over there. Straight talk, no joke thing. I'm going to say this again. My son a 15-year-old. His name Sing Jaline. He's a licensed artist. Jamaica in born. I don't know who get pregnant a foreign and come born in Jamaica, but if you get pregnant a foreign and come born in Jamaica, it's not a Jamaican. You have to get pregnant a Jamaican and born in Jamaica to be a Jamaican. You get to me, I say? So I don't know how tough tan I come a lead doctorship and him is a Chinese. I don't know how that. I don't see una pressure no Chinese if you go take no vaccine, because I don't see no Chinese drive out go take no vaccine, or I don't hear no man attack saying have a Chinese friend who take vaccine. Yes, straight me attack from heart. Yeah, Unstoppable TV, big up yourself because what, you do a great job. And big up I obtain to because I love what I say. Yeah, real thing him attack. See the Andrew is going I get to talk about vaccine and no carry no food, go give the people them. You see it? Yes, I just this is the thing that I respect, I say that straight. Yeah man, because I work for Unstoppable Youth there Jamaica. Youth we are going to fight for a cause. You get to me I say? Yeah, just like that. Yeah man, the sun's out, upful and bright. Yeah man, politician don't have no love at all. I respect, I say that.
Alright, so I hear everything with respect have to say, right? More want to talk to me down below in the comment section. You not agree with respect or you disagree with the things them respect say. I feel like the man make a lot of sense. Now, Chess, big up to Chess. Chess is an original West Kingston man and Chess I say, yo, him want voice him opinions, because when him voice him opinion, some people go on like them want jump down him throat and make it seem like say the present Prime Minister a god. So Chess, have this we say, make we hear what Chess at about.
Yeah, you have some people when they talk, they go on like say, you owe them something. You get me I say? For instance, I make two post on my Facebook and post about the waste Prime Minister of Jamaica. And some people are comment like say Andrew Willis is my father, or Andrew Willis is work my life, or Andrew Willis is my family life, you know, like Andrew Willis is God. You get me? But when I'm going to Jamaica is bullshit. As far as I can see, it's bullshit. Total bullshit. Trust me, total bullshit. Because right through the pandemic last year, when everybody them say thousands of people are dead, millions of people are dead, I come and road every day same way. The only thing I notice, no dance, no mall, close store lockdown, all them things lockdown, park close, bus run same way, train run same way. Some people don't go work, but at least them get money. The government give them money. Okay. I work same way now. I work same way. Cause I go to work 2 times a week same way. Cause my boss call me same way, I go work same way to work. Give me 2 days a week same way. You get me? And I survived through the pandemic. You see me? But locking down Jamaica don't make no sense. And right now Carnival is still in New York. And New York almost 18,000 people. You get me I say? Yeah, New York almost 18 million people, 18 million people. So Carnival still there in New York. When we go party, people don't have no mask. If you go up on the train, people have a mask and people don't have a mask. No police now come on train, come lock up nobody. No police now go on bus lock nobody. No police now run nobody. Me see a police without mask on the train too and on the bus. Anywhere you go, you see police without a mask. So me want to know if coronavirus walk on Monday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. It hide and then, you understand? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, coronavirus walk the road. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, coronavirus don't walk the road. So it's up on Chine, coronavirus walk. Someone wait there. On them day there. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Where coronavirus there? Where it is. So why you lock down the people for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? No movement. It's a dictatorship thing you depend. Yeah. China and them place around like that. Jamaica now no surround, so Jamaica is a democratic country. So you want to run Jamaica like say he's a tyrant. Who's you? When nobody can criticize you. You get me? Me see people style up Obama and style up Trump. Wicked. In front. Style up in front of police. Style up Obama. Style up Donald Trump. In front of police. And the police don't let them down. The police will go for them. You see me I say? The police will go for them. Star. You see me? I'm going to make 2 little posts for there and some people are going like say, Andrew Holness a God. You see me I say? Yeah, me's an original Tivoli youth now. Me born and grow West Kingston. That's how me born and grow West Kingston. Me born and grow there, so. You see me I say? Me no know no address else. All time my address change is when me travel come foreign. Is when me go to England and then me there America. That's all the time I have different address. But if I Jamaica me there, a West Kingston address when I have same way. That's where my address would have be West Kingston, nowhere else. You see me I say? So, yeah, that's some address that there. You get me I say? Right, that's some address that there. West Kingston. Because them born and grow. West Kingston. Original Tivoli youth this when I look upon. Original Tivoli youth. Yeah. So 2010 me the America now. And 70 people me see them killer for West Kingston now. 70 and never PNP in a power. Is Labour right in a power. Yeah. And them kill off the people from West Kingston. And them cause West Kingston to be like this today. And them mash up West Kingston. Labour right mash up West Kingston. So when people come to them about me know better. Know better with what? Know better when they are foreign and they make police going to kill off people down there. And let them say if you know better. Know better is what? If us PJ or Porsche seems in a power right now, and me say them the other come. Everybody that come and say, true, chess. But no, it's on God. This little waste boy named Andrew Holness. Where people are talking about, people can't talk. You see what I say? I'm original West Kingston youth. Yeah, me born and grow West Kingston. Me not run from nowhere come to West Kingston. And then me born and grow. You see me, it's West Kingston, me born and grow. Yeah, so straight, West Kingston, me born and grow.
Well, alright then, Unstoppable family, you hear from Respect and you hear from Chess. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what phone views and opinions panda one here. You understand? Remember, this is not to say anybody going up against who decide to go and take the job. But all they are saying is here what give people a choice to make a decision. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. My God.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.